Hello friends, welcome back to Alpha's Tech. And today in this video we are going to unbox this our new Acer monitor. And this is our monitor we have ordered in our Flipkart. And now let's unbox it, and it's the first unboxing video in our YouTube channel. This monitor is 10,000. And after that just open the box and just take off our monitor from inside of the box. And at first we will get a invoice from our Flipkart and just keep it in a side. And our monitor is outside of our box. Here you can see this is the monitor. And here you can see our monitor is in outside of our box, and you can see Acer HAO series. And in the top of this you can see 22 Full HD LED display. And here you can see 21.5 inch size. And in the below of this box here you can see more of the features of this monitor: 1920 into 1080 resolution, and AMD LED, and 0 frame rate, and ultra thin and IPS blinkness and comfy view. And these are the features of this monitor. And now let's unbox our monitor from this box. And without wasting our time, let's unbox this monitor from here. And here you can see two of the knobs are available here, and just peel it off. And after that we want to open this box. At first we need to peel off the side sticker from this box. Here you can see there are stickers in the side of this box, and just cut the stickers from here. And after that just open the box, and here you can see we have to rotate our monitor, and here you can see this is the box inside the box, and just take it off our monitor. And we have taken our monitor outside from this box, inside from this box, and here you can see, and there is nothing inside box, and just keep it in a side. And after that here you can see the cables of our monitors are available, and here you can see the power supply cable, and here you can see the base of our monitor stand, and this is the HDMI cable, and this is the VGA cable of our monitor, and this is the once again power supply cable of our monitor, and this is the aux cable for our monitor, and this is the stand base used in our monitor. And here you can see this is the stand base to stand, helps our monitor to stand. And this is the last and final our user manual by this Acer company, and it also included warranty card, and just keep it in a side. And now let's take out our monitor from this thermocol. And this is the monitor we have purchased it in our Flipkart, and we have to peel it off our monitor from the side, and we have just opening. Wait, and this is the monitor we have purchased it, and this is the wonderful monitor. And you can see Acer, and this is fully black, and the color of this monitor is white. And here you can see the thickness and the thinness of our monitor. And in the back side here you can see HDMI port, VGA port, aux port, and power supply port. And in this monitor it also included two inbuilt speakers in the below of this monitor, and here you can see that in the below. And now let's fix this monitor with the base stand. And at first you can see this is the monitor, and first we want to take the base from this and just peel off this base. And now we have to connect our monitor to our PC or CPU by using the VGA cable or our HDMI cable. And here you can use both of them, or you can also use the single of them by connecting to your HDMI cable to your PC. and we have using HDMI cable for connecting our monitor to our PC. And now we have already connected our HDMI cable to our monitor to PC, and you can see our monitor has been started working. And I hope you will enjoyed our video, and if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching our video.